Good morning, good afternoon. Late na to. It's a late video. I wish you a belated Merry Christmas and a very bountiful 2025. It's been very busy for us with Daddy Ken this time kasi we are in the Philippines. So, nawala kami sa YouTube, pero we upload shorts. But I remember you all. I miss you. I miss everyone. Kasi hindi na ako nakakasupport. Hindi na active, but I'll soon come back. But I just wish everyone a very blessed 2025. Peace, harmonious relationship, and for those who have not thought of good things, I wish you the best. Kaya kayo na lang ang tayo, yung mga taong pinanganak lang tayo na temporary sa mundo. So, let's just be good. Let's just be happy and enjoy life. Happy 2025. Love you all. Bye.